Hi and welcome to the Excel Hub. Today we'll cover the rule of 72, which is a fast way to estimate how long it takes money to double at a given rate of return without doing a full compound interest calculation. And today we're building a quick calculator around it and checking how accurate the shortcut actually is. The rule itself is simple. The amount of years it takes for a given amount to double is approximately equal to 72 divided by the annual growth rate. We first build that as a single formula. So we type equals 72 divided by, and then open brackets, we take the percent annual growth rate, and then we multiply this by 100. We can then close brackets and click enter. And this gives us 10.3, which in the case of investments would mean that if your investments grew at a 7% annual return, it would take them 10.3 years to double without adding another penny. Now, in reality, people would likely continue contributing, which would make the actual amount larger. Then we check it using the actual compounding formula, which is the natural logarithm of 2 divided by the natural logarithm of 1 plus the percent figure. We then get 10.2, and we can see side by side that the rule of 72 is very close. If we take the difference, it's only 0.04. Now we can extend the formula to a range of annual rates, which we'll do here. So once again, we type equals 72 and divide it by the annual rate times 100. We can then use the actual compounding formula again. So once again, in this case, it's 1 plus the annual rate at the end. And then we can calculate the difference. We can then double click the bottom right hand corner to bring this all the way down. As shown, the rule is impressively close at investment rates of around 6 to 10%. However, it drifts further off at very low or very high rates. And I think showing the real formula next to the shortcuts rather than just showing the shortcuts is the more honest way to present this. It is a useful mental math trick, but it's worth knowing where it starts to break down. Overall, however, I would classify this as a useful mental model for understanding compounding. It teaches that time matters more than return chasing, and that wealth grows slowly and then suddenly. Please give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful, and subscribe to the Excel Hub for future Excel tutorials, techniques, and examples.